Are you ready to discover the secret to successful weight loss that doesn't involve complicated diets or constant hunger? Meal Prep for Weight Loss Success is your guide to understanding how preparing your meals in advance can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the art of meal prepping, its benefits, and how it empowers you to make healthier food choices while shedding those extra pounds. 1. The weight loss conundrum. In the opening paragraph, introduce the common struggles people face when trying to lose weight, such as time constraints and unhealthy meal choices. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide will reveal a practical solution. 2. What is meal prep? Begin by explaining what meal prep is and how it involves planning and preparing your meals ahead of time. Emphasize the convenience and control it provides over your food choices. 3. Benefits of meal prep. Delve into the numerous benefits of meal prepping. Discuss how it helps in portion control, reduces the temptation of unhealthy options, and saves time and money. 4. Creating a meal plan. Share insights into the process of creating a meal plan for weight loss. Explain how to balance essential nutrients, choose wholesome ingredients, and incorporate variety to keep your taste buds engaged. 5. Efficient cooking and storage. Discuss the importance of efficient cooking and proper storage. Share tips on how to cook in batches, use appropriate containers, and make your meals easily accessible. 6. Consistency and accountability. Highlight the role of consistency and accountability in meal prep. Explain how having your meals ready helps you stick to your dietary goals and track your progress. 7. Variety and flavor. Address the misconception that meal prepping means eating the same meal every day. Explore how you can maintain variety and flavor by experimenting with different recipes and ingredients. 8. A sustainable lifestyle. Conclude with the idea that meal prep is not a short-term diet but a sustainable lifestyle. Encourage readers to view meal prepping as a tool that empowers them to make lasting, healthy choices. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the concept of meal prep for weight loss but will also be motivated to incorporate this strategy into their daily lives. Meal Prep for Weight Loss Success is a journey into the world of practical weight management, where every prepped meal becomes a step closer to a healthier, happier you. So, let's embark on this journey to uncover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing the art of meal prep for successful weight loss. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.